house is a thing you need, and if you need to get one, you can either buy one existing house or build one, or have one built for you. If you just want to buy the old house, it's easy. You open the real estate ads, you check if there is any available. If not, you check for plots, you check for contractors, house makers and so on, and you put together a perfect house for you. For that, you need to know if you can pull it off, if you can actually make it. If you have enough money, if you have enough resources, time, maybe you are working on 2 jobs and you can't actually manage the build, then you need to find someone who does it for you. It will cost money again. So there are a number of questions. My first suggestion would be work with your vision first. What you really need, what you really want, and what you really can afford. If you have that picture, everything is much easier after that. First, you need to do assessments of your needs and wants and possibilities. Because, as I've always said, the house is a thing like a coffee mug or a spoon or a smartphone. The difference between these small things and the house is that you are going to use the house through many, many years, and your needs change over the years. With a smartphone, it's very easy. If you have more needs, you just buy a new smartphone, right? Or if you're getting older and you're not so tech savvy anymore, you can get the really simple one. So it's not a big thing, but you can't change the house like that. So when building your vision, you need to think 5 years ahead, 10 years ahead, 25 years ahead, how your needs will change. And I would do it in 3 steps. Yes, first, write down your needs, what you really need. If you have big family, maybe 4 children, you would need at least 3-4 bedrooms. If you are working from home, you may need the home office. Second thing, write down your wants or things you're not really ready to compromise on. Maybe you want a garage. Maybe the green building is very important for you. And the third thing, think about your possibilities. Just a range will be good enough, from 100 to 150,000, for example. Because if your needs are for 200 square meters house, then you can't do it with a budget of 20,000. It's just not possible. The budget also depends on location. Usually plots closer to the city are more expensive, and rural countryside plots are cheaper. So that's how you build your clear vision. That would be the first step of budgeting, to really make sure what do you need, what do you want, what is a vision of the house you are going to build. If you turn to contractors and house factories, you actually want their help to realize your dream. But if you don't know exactly what your dream is, no one can help you, really.